Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to jump into something I have never done on my channel before and I've always wanted to do, and it is a current favorite. So I never do favorites video. If you guys are familiar with my channel, you know I'm very repetitive with products I love, so they're not going to change monthly, but I never did a favorites like of all time, and I feel like after trial and error, I feel like I have a good amount of products to recommend to you guys in pretty much every category. So we'll just jump right into the video so you guys can see what products I am loving as of late. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and like, as well as follow me on my social media, which will be listed up here right now. So yeah, we'll just jump right into the video now. The first product I'm going to be mentioning to you guys is a fragrance. So I have been struggling to find a fragrance that I love. It's been pretty much the hardest thing for me to do to find a product I love. But the one I want to talk to you guys about today is the Sylvain Delacour product. So this is a fragrance line. Sylvain Delacour is from France. It is a French-based company, and this is what I got from them. So it comes in this packaging, which is so freaking beautiful. Just the aesthetic of it all is really, really pretty, and this is what it comes in. So it's very beautiful, and I got the scent Lily Ling. So this was my favorite one. So the cool thing about Sylvain Delacour is the fact that Sylvain Delacour does offer a discovery box, that is what it's called, and you basically get 5 of her scents, which are all her scents, for $4. It is $4 from France to the United States, so it's a great deal, and you get to try them out. It is a good size product. And you get to test it out, see which one you like. Once you see which one you like, or which ones you like, you can then go on and purchase the full size of it. So that is exactly what I did when I got this. So I received the discovery box and I got the 5 scents, and Lily Ling was my ultimate favorite. So it is beautiful. I believe this is a 3.3 ounce bottle. So the 3.3 ounce bottle is $160, and then you get, or you have the option of getting a 1 ounce bottle for $75. Right now you actually get 15% off your first order, so it is a great time to order, like, you know, the discovery box, and then once you know which one you want in full size, you can order that one and get 15% off. So yeah, that is the first product I wanted to mention. I also got that candle that is burning right there, which you can get. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it smells awesome. It's been burning for so long. It smells really good, really light, subtle, but it still smells amazing, guys. So that is another favorite. It's that one right there. Moving on to beauty now, rather than fragrance. To start off with a primer, the L'Oreal Pro Glow Infallible Primer. So this Pro Glow Infallible Primer has been amazing for me. It looks so pretty. The thing I love most about it, I don't know if it helps the longevity of my makeup, but the one thing I really do like about it is the fact that it's illuminating, but it doesn't have little glitter speckles like most of them do. So I found this to be pretty much like a dupe for the MAC Strobe Cream, and it also has no scent to it. The MAC Strobe Cream does, on the other hand. So I really, really love this one. It makes my makeup look beautiful, flawless, and very luminous and dewy. So it's become my favorite, a primer that I am obsessed with right now. So moving on to lashes. These are my favorite lashes of all time. They've been my favorite for 2 years probably now, and these are the Ardell Double Up 206. These are not the ones I am currently wearing, but these are my go-to. They are beautiful. They are dramatic but subtle. They're not super extra. They don't feel heavy, but they still make your eye look bomb. And this is amazing, guys. This is my go-to You guys need to get this. The next product that has easily become my favorite is the L'Oreal Telescopic. So I'm going completely out of order, but I'm in beauty right now, so that's makeup related. So the L'Oreal Telescopic I love, especially for my lower lashes, and recently I have stopped doing like falsies on an everyday basis, and I've been just curling my natural lashes and putting mascara on, and this is amazing, guys. It spreads them so nice, it's not clumpy, and it makes your lashes look super long and beautiful. So for bronzer, this one has become my favorite in just 2 uses. I'm telling you guys, it's bomb. So this is the MAC Give Me Sun. At first I didn't know how I was gonna like it because it does look very orange, but when you apply it, it kind of looks like you just got a tan, and you just need a very little amount of product. It goes a very long way. I pretty much just dipped my brush twice in it, like barely tapping, and it gives me a beautiful contour. It is the not contour, it gives me a beautiful bronze, and it's bronzer I'm using today. It is a little pricey, but I think it's worth it. Now moving to highlight. My current favorite highlight that I've been using for like a month now is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. So it is, let me show you. So that's what it looks like. So this one is very pigmented, a little goes a very long way with it, and it gives you a great glow without it looking cakey or like chalky or anything. It just sinks right into the skin, and I absolutely love this one. I also love using this on top of a cream highlighter, any cream one that you use, or even on top of a liquid one. It would just melt into it, which is what I love about it. And I always saw like YouTubers use this, and I was like but then I tried it and it's bomb, guys. Especially I think it's only like $8, so it's very affordable, and it is better than some of my high-end highlighters, so I would say go pick it up. Lastly, for the beauty products, I want to talk about the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. This is 1 fluid ounce, and it was $42. And in the back it says 15-hour staying power, looks fresh and flawless throughout the heat, humidity, non-stop activity, won't change color, smudge, or come off on clothes, lightweight and so comfortable. I used to use it for a very long time, and then I stopped just because I was giving other foundations a chance, and then I went back to this recently and it looked flawless, guys. My skin looked, everything was covered. It's very like full coverage, and it feels really nice on the skin, and it doesn't look cakey, which I absolutely love. So this is going to be my current go-to. I had to get a brand new bottle of this. So yeah, I would definitely suggest picking this up. It is definitely worth the money. Unless you're very dry, you might not like it unless you hydrate your skin with moisturizer beforehand and use a luminous primer, then you can maybe get away with using this. The only thing I don't like about it is that I had to buy a pump separately because it doesn't come with a pump, which I think is so stupid. But you can use it without a pump, you know, drop a little bit on your hand, or you can buy a separate pump. I think I heard Clinique has pumps for $2, so just spend the extra $2. But yeah, now I'm gonna move on to skincare products, and I think that's it because I don't have any hair products I'm loving right now that I could recommend to you guys. So let me grab my skincare products that I'm obsessed with, and I'll be right back. So for the first skincare product I'm going to talk about is my daily moisturizer that I use. So I use the Ultra Facial Cream by Kiehl's. I currently use this one. I've been using it for a few months. If you guys saw my skincare routine video that I made a few months ago, if you haven't seen it, I'll link it down below. I use all Kiehl's products because I work there, but this is like a standout product in my routine. So this is my daytime moisturizer, and what I love about it is the way it makes my makeup application look afterwards. So this really just hydrates my skin without it feeling or looking greasy, and it also just makes my makeup look and apply so beautifully that I don't have to prime, but I'll go in with this first and then my L'Oreal Pro Glow, and it is the best combination ever. This moisturizer is amazing for any skin type, so I would always recommend it. It's my go-to. It also has no scent to it, which I love because my skin is very sensitive. So if you have sensitive skin and you're looking for a really good moisturizer for all skin types, this is the best one to go for. It also comes in SPF 30, so if you want sunscreen. So this is my little baby here. My next skincare product that has been like incredible is this one. So this is the Kiehl's Nightly Refining Micro Peel Concentrate. So this is a nightly exfoliator I use. So I use it every single night. It says it's a micro peel, but your skin doesn't peel or anything. All it does is with time, your skin will just gradually get rid of the dead skin cells it has. So you technically don't have to use a microdermabrasion or anything that's abrasive, like any exfoliator twice a week or anything, because this does that and more. So I used to have one that I really loved, a microdermabrasion exfoliator, but this one has replaced it because within probably 3 times of using this, I noticed that my little whiteheads completely started to go away, and it also just brightens my skin. It helps with my acne. So this is probably my new favorite, and it's $60. It's a little pricey, but it's 1 ounce, and you, like I said, you only use it at nighttime. And in my personal opinion, I feel like it's definitely worth it. I would definitely recommend going to pick this up, at least trying it, get a sample. You're not going to see results with a sample of it, but you can at least see how it feels on your skin and stuff. So that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I wanted to just quickly do a current favorites, but yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you guys have any recommendations of products similar to the ones I showed and you think I would like, of course leave them down below. I always check out what you guys recommend to me because you guys have not steered me wrong so far. So I'll catch you guys next time, and thank you guys so much for watching.